Yeah, especially the way they want to play, or he wants his team to play. So I think it'll be very interesting how it's going to pan out. To be perfectly honest, I don't know. I don't know whether they've got the tactical nous, whether they've got the capabilities to play 55, 60 games the way they do play, and be competitive, because I think they've got to find another way of winning games. You can't go 100 miles an hour for 90 minutes every 3 days. It's simply not possible, because other teams are too good, and you need that. You need to be streetwise, and you need the tactical nous about them. And I think we found out a lot about the team and the manager this coming season. They did well to get in the top four. Now they have to prove they can compete in the Champions League and get in the top four again, because I think what has been lacking the last 8 or 9 years was consistency. That's why we haven't been successful. That's why we haven't won trophies. Hopefully they can make the step forward next season.